Hello YouTube. Well, it's been a while since I've uploaded a video to YouTube, and today I just thought I'll do a play along. I plan on doing another play along, so I'll do a couple play alongs. The first one I found was The Lion King, Can You Feel the Love Tonight from Disney, and then I found another one, Beyonce singing Halo, so I'll do both play alongs. So to begin with, let's do the Disney one. Okay, so it's in the key of F. The chords are simple. I'll explain what I'm playing later on. So it's in the key of F. I'm just gonna get started.
I can see what's happening. What? And they don't have a clue. Oh, they'll fall in love, and here's the bottom line. Our trio's down the road. Oh, the sweet caress of twilight. There's magic everywhere. And with all this romantic atmosphere, disasters in the air. To tell her, but how to make her see the truth about my past impossible. She'd turn away from me.
He's holding back, he's hiding, but what I can't decide. Why won't he be the king I know he is, the king I see inside?
I'll stop it right there. So I was just literally just improvising on that off the cuff, so apologies for the mistakes if they were that offensive. So to break it down, essentially it is B flat, which is the 4 of the scale I'm in. So I'm in the key of F. So if you know your F scale major, 1 2 3 4, let's say 4, then it's B flat. It's gonna be B flat major, B flat, F, B flat, F, or 4 1 4 1, and then it does a 3 7 3 6 movement. So 7 is gonna be your E sharp 5, so E sharp flat 5, sorry, or I can think of it as an E diminished. However you want to play it, it usually just works out. So it's a 7 3 6, then it does a 2 5 1. To substitute the 2 5 1, you can go to the minor third and play that a major 7 chord, and then go to the 7, the flat set, the dominant 7, which is E flat in this case, and play the major chord there, and resolve it to the major second, plus 2. As just an alternative to the 2 5 1. I used a couple. I think I used another alternative. I just can't remember what it was. So then the Can You Feel the Love Tonight? I'm literally just walking down, singing. D minor. Back to B flat, add 9. F. 2 5 1. That's gonna be 2 is gonna be G minor. Oh yeah, so my alternative here was 5 flat 5. So 4 flat 5 to the 5. This works because it's a passing chord, and a passing chord, if you go from a semitone below or semitone above, you usually get to the home you want to be at. That's longer video than I wanted to make it, but yeah, just having fun with that. I'll do the Beyonce one in a minute.